Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana. I'm a 3D artist, and in this class we're going to learn how to make colorful Easter eggs. For this class you don't need previous knowledge in Blender nor any previous knowledge in any 3D software. I will try to explain every step. Through this class you will actually learn how to create variety of materials, how to change colors, how to use nodes for those materials, how to combine different textures and different shaders. That will help you further for whatever project you are working on, and it will help you become more confident and create more different, more unique, and more, in this case, colorful designs. Let's begin.